Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about the best settings you can have with your Canon M50 for a bit more cinematic look. I personally love having 25 frames per second to 30 frames per second because it looks more realistic. 24 or 25 frames per second, depends on your camera basically, produce more motion blur. The 30 frames per second makes the images more crispy, so it's up to you in which frame rate you are going to shoot. Over 50 frames per second would be all considered high speed, so these are used mostly for slow motion videos. In this camera I only use 25 or 50 frames per second for full HD. So now let's dive into the picture style. I set it on neutral. The sharpness here is on 2. Contrast, saturation and color tone, everything are on 0. I would like to give you a quick tip. So when I'm shooting on 25 frames per second, I use 1/15 on shutter speed. As a rule of thumb, you want the shutter speed to be double the number of the frames per second. For instance, if you're shooting on 50 frames per second, your shutter speed must be 100. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! Bye-bye!